See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go long.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is from a brand I have not worked with in an extremely long time. It's been some years, you guys, but this one is brought to you by Elfin Hair. So thank you so much, Elfin Hair, for sending over these hair and all these goodies. Love the little description pamphlet. It helps you to learn how to care for your hair, the do's and don'ts, how to return it, how to wash and condition it, all great information, and this beautiful large bonnet that is great to wear to protect your hair, your own hair, and your wig, of course. And we got a half wig here. It's a 24-inch Burmese curly, and it's an invisible half wig, which is amazing because the edge is already disguised for you. So you can do fun, interesting styles like the one I'm going to show you today and not have to worry about having any leave out whatsoever because the wig covers you on all fronts and there will be no tracks showing. So you're going to want to part your hair the back from the back and the front. You're going to part it at the crown of your head. Then you're going to part a section in the middle and then separate that middle section in half. You're going to add your edge control and you're going to put it all around that section. Grab your small black rubber bands and go ahead and rubber band that first section. Then you're going to take the second section, rubber band those two pieces together. And you don't want to make this too tight. I learned my lesson the hard way and had to loosen my rubber bands. Do not make these rubber bands too tight. Your style will still be beautiful. The edge control will hold your hair together. You will have a headache if you make these rubber bands too tight. So please do not do that. Your style will still be gorgeous. Leave your edges out if that's what you want to do because you don't want to rubber band them and try to pull them out later. You'll definitely pull your hair. So I just edge controlled them down so that they stay out of the way of the rubber bands. Then I grabbed another rubber band for this small section at the bottom. You're going to split this section into two pieces so that you can add them into these two sections at the top. So you're going to add half of that ponytail down below into this section, leaving the other half for the back section. And then you're going to add both of those sections into the back ponytail section. And then you're just going to rubber band everything together into one after you do the other side. Now you're just going to do whatever you need to do to hold the back of your hair down. My hair is cut into a very short bob, so cornrows are a no-go for me right now because they don't hold together. So I just use some rubber bands and some bobby pins to hold my hair down. You can do whatever tactic works good for you. But remember, this is a quick, easy style, so don't do anything that's going to take you all day. The point of this half wig is to get something cute, easy, and beautiful quickly. And the older I get, the speed of a style makes the most sense for me, okay? This drawstring helps to secure your wig as well as the combs. I love how this wig felt on. It felt so secure and not too tight, but just very comfortable. Now, all the products I use to style this hair, I will leave in the description down below. It's basically water, leave-in conditioner, and soft hold styling mousse. So you're just going to drench the hair in all those three products, and then you're going to use your diffuser to go ahead and lock in the curls.
See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no.
So then I just went in with the GLEEmade Edge Control. All these products are available on Amazon, and I'll link them down below in the description box. Just use the edge brush to go ahead and style my baby hairs. I make sure I do my baby hairs before I do my makeup, because otherwise you get makeup all in your baby hairs and they turn color and it just looks crazy. So go ahead and do your baby hairs before your makeup.
See, I got them here, them are moving.
And here we have it. This is the end result. I think this style came out absolutely gorgeous. Highly recommend. Check out my coupon code in the description box. This style is so beautiful and I just love it. So shout out to Elfin Hair. Thank you for sending this over. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make up bad